welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making super crunchy slime, which is also known as a foam slime in the slime community. So obviously you need foam beads to make this slime, and I've ordered these from Draz.pk, and if you're interested, you want to buy the same ones, then I'll just link it down in the description box below. So first of all, I took the clear glue and added it into the bowl, and then I took a bit of water. You have to make sure that the water is obviously less than the clear glue. Then I took paint, which is optional. If you want to color your slime, then you can add paint or food coloring. And then I took some slime activator and activated the slime. As you can see, I added a little bit of amount at first and then mixed it, and then I added more and more gradually, because you want to make sure that your slime is not overactivated. In fact, this time you have to keep your slime a bit sticky so that the beads can fit in. And when your slime starts to stick away from the bowl like this, you have to go in with your hands and you have to knead your slime. So you have to mix your slime for about a couple of minutes, and after mixing, your slime should be ready. So now you have to take your foam beads and put them into a container or a bowl, and then you have to add your slime on top of it. Now you have to mix the beads into the slime until you're sure that every bead is mixed into the slime. And now comes the tricky part. If you want your slime to be super crunchy and packed with beads, then you want to add more and more beads into the slime like this. But if you want your slime to be stretchy and crunchy at the same time, then you just want to add one batch of beads. But personally, I don't care if the slime is too stretchy or not. I just wanted it to be super duper crunchy, so I added multiple batches of beads. So a tip I wanted to give to you guys is that if your foam is not that stretchy and you want it to be stretchy, then you have to add a bit of clear slime on top of it. So this is a clear slime I've made using the same recipe I've shown previously, and I'm going to add it onto the slime. So finally, this is the end product. So that was it from today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you did and want to see more slime tutorials on my channel, then hit the like button and also subscribe. See you all next week. Bye everyone.